All right, hey y'all. It has been a minute. I feel like it's been a long time. I don't know where my other hair clip is at, but either it has been or it's coming up. My 1 year channel anniversary, and I just want to say thank you for. I think I still have 13 subscribers. I have to check. But yeah, I just want to say thank you for that. I didn't even think I was gonna get like past 5, to be honest, like 5 subscribers. I got 13, and I'm sorry I have not been uploading. It's just coming into 2021 was a really rough year for um, but things are somewhat coming back to normal, and we have a lot to talk about. So let's get into it. So this is gonna be my little everyday, like what I use to go to work, routine. So I moisturize. I usually do, but since I'm not going anywhere today and it's my day off, and I'll take it off after this, I'll moisturize. I'll use like this little Nivea cream one. I like it because it's thick, but that's for really like people who are dry, that have like dry, like the desert face skin type. So I usually just use a little bit of that, but I think I'll be okay with just this for now, because I'm gonna go and like exfoliate after this. Okay, so what I like to do, let me get my mirror. I've gotten a lot of new stuff too recently, and like this mirror, the Pride mirror from JSC. It's really cute or whatever. I got this one size mirror as well because I tried them for the first time. That's why I bought the primer. And I brought Patrick Starr's Brow Kiki that came out, and I really like that product, y'all. I went through 2 brow products in like probably a month and a half because I really like doing my brows now. I think I got my brows cute down, and that's what I'm gonna display today because y'all know I hate doing brows and I suck at doing brows. But I think I got it. This really blurs the skin for pores and stuff. So I like to just apply it mainly like in this area, because this is where my pores see. Oh my god, my skin is looking deceased. I just woke up too, so that's probably why. Make sure your hands are clean, and then you're gonna want to rub the primer. I think I put a lot, so I'm gonna extend it up here. Yeah, I put a lot, so I'm gonna extend it down. This really does a good job at blurring the skin to make it look like you don't have any pores, if you do have pores, which I do. A lot of the stuff I like to use have blurring effects because it just makes everything look better. So once you get the whole side done, I should have did like a little before and after. But once you get the whole side done, usually I'm using both hands, but since I have to hold my mirror, I'm using one, so it's gonna be a little bit slower. Also too, you wanna put moisturizer, like, so obviously before you put on makeup, you have to put moisturizer or your skin's gonna get ruined. So if you notice, like if you have like a skin type that's oily and dry, I recommend, like that's a combo, I recommend moisturizing just in the places that feel really dry. Usually for me, it was this part, the bridge of my nose, this cheek area over here, both sides for some reason. So I would really put some moisturizer down there. And then when you exfoliate or do your skincare, target those areas as well, especially. And it'll really help you. Also, drinking water helps a lot too for better skin. Okay, now, this has probably been my favorite. It's from L'Oreal. It's called Magic Skin Beautifier BB Cream. This is how the packaging looks like. I think it was like $5, maybe less. I don't remember when I bought it, but this is in the shade medium. They only have 3. They have, because this is supposed to work for everyone in the medium range, and then the light, everyone the light, and then the more darker skin tones, you know, they get the one after this, which I don't know what it's called, but this one's called medium. Um, so it's a little tube, so you have to, you know, spray it out. I usually like putting it on my fingers to get it warm, and then like putting it all over my skin. But I think I want to try it out a different way today. So, oh, it comes out white like this, but don't worry, when you mix it, it turns into the skin color. And that's why I want to do it directly on the face, because I don't know if you can see, but it's turning brown, like medium. It's gonna leave you when you put it on, like you can kind of see like how I have this like kind of like white cast on me. It's gonna come out like that first, but don't worry, it goes away. So with this, I like to use mainly all over my face, and I use my hands. I think it recommends using hand, which I also recommend too, because I think if you use like a little, something bigger, a brush or a beauty sponge, it kind of messes up the color. What I like using BB creams for like a natural everyday look, because one, BB creams like even out your skin tone really good. This one does at least. And depending if you're going to put eyeshadow on or not, I'm not going to in this video because for everyday use I don't wear eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my eyelids, and you see how I had dark spots here before, but all you gotta do is just move it around like this, and it'll pretty much cover everything. I get really red right here after rubbing my face, but as you can see, look how smooth that looks. That's with the primer and the BB cream on, and this is just, you can sort of see how my skin looks flawless. So what I like to do with this is just target areas that get red, that like have unevenness to it, if that's a word, because that's what it's for. But make sure you do rub it out good, because what I will say about this is like if you rub it too much, it like peels off, so you gotta be careful. So I'm gonna put some on my chin and my up, like above here under my nose area, because I get red right there as well. Still, you gotta make sure you blend up to the hairline, just like the regular duggler. I'm looking ghostly, but don't worry, because that is going to get fixed, like I said. And if it doesn't, try a different one. Share with me what you guys do for your natural, it doesn't even have to be makeup look, it can be like your skincare, you know, your whatever you do in the morning to your face. I like to just stamp in with like a brush or a beauty blender, just to make sure that it's really on there. This has no product, so just stamp in. I've lost like 20 pounds. You know, just look like it because the camera always be lying on me. They're like, but you fat. But this is so lightweight, and like it literally just turns into your skin, that you can put this under foundation and you will not look cakey, because I did that one time. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try it. I'm running late, but I'm gonna either come looking like a cake face or it's gonna be cool. And actually it really looked really good. I'll try and put a picture up of when I did that. So I put the BB cream and I used the Rare Beauty foundation. I was going to Disneyland. I just set the base really quick now. That's one of my new steps, because y'all, I'm so oily, it's crazy. So I'm just going to take some loose setting powder. So this is just a little banana powder. from Dragon Beauty. Y'all know I love this powder. This is probably my favoriteest powders. Get oily the most. That's where you wanna, if you're really, really, really oily, like your face turns into like SeaWorld or something, I suggest baking. But for me, I always get oily here, here, and here. So I always just get a little sponge and like just dab it. Okay, so we're almost done. So now you can finish the face first, or you can finish the brows. I'll do the face. Came out with this, his little soft touch. I grabbed the contour and the blush. Oh, the contour and the blush. So these is it. I have for contour this shade dark, because when I tried on, and soft coral for the blush, when I tried on like what would fit me, these are so light touch that it'll turn into foundation. So you want to probably get even, well, I'm saying for my skin tone that's how it was, so I went with dark. So, and then it comes with a little brush, but I don't like the brush. I use my own brush. If you don't like this white cast, like I said, and if you don't use foundation, use a bronzer or a contour stick.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on.
See how the contour really brought some warmth. Kind of see it, because soft. I like to use setting spray like after every step if I'm going for like a heavier makeup, because it just really helps dilute like powders. Like I said, I look really dry when I use setting powder, so it helps dilute it. And there are my brows. Now, you can do the concealer to make them like more on point, literally on point. But it's just, you know, your regular everyday. I just fill them in. Now, last motherfucking step. I also picked up the soft glow highlighter. This is the shade Honey. And I like to take like the little nose contour brush, and I'm just gonna like go like this. I'm gonna put this on my brow bone here. See how there's that little glow there? You know I love highlight. Oh, isn't that beautiful? This looks like it's my natural shine. The other day I was using contour right when I was getting ready for work, and I just kept adding and adding. I was like, bitch, I don't look. I felt like I don't look. Like I didn't look how I wanted to look. I kept adding and adding. Then that same night, I went to the movies. I was like, I'm gonna put a little bit more, y'all. it turned into my foundation color. I was like, oh fuck, I look dark. Like I look dark. Like, so I had to add concealer at the spots to lighten up my face. Oh my god. This is just my little everyday routine. Like I'm going to work, you know, or I'm gonna go somewhere like to the movies or something. So we just did BB cream, setting powder, soft touch contour for Makeup by Mario, soft touch blush, soft touch highlighter, setting spray from Nikita Dragon, secure the blur from Patrick Star One Size, and a mirror from JC. Like I said, lips are an up to you thing. Usually I do gloss. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm sorry for the long wait. I will definitely try and be more productive on here. It's just hard because it's a new job that I have. I just work all the time, and then you don't want to come home and put makeup on your face because it's like, I'm already off work, and you don't want to put all that shit on you. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.